Hi friends, I'm Natalie Carey, a certified personal trainer and corrective exercise specialist. I have a herniated disc between my L5 and my S1 vertebrae, so I know from experience that back pain can be very debilitating and it can really decrease your quality of life. Unfortunately, most adults will experience back pain in their lives, but the good news is that there are a number of things that you can do to relieve back pain very quickly. I'm going to share my favorite tips along with my most recommended exercises and stretches, but I want to note that this video is not intended to diagnose your back pain. I always recommend that people seek the help of their medical team and their doctor, and especially a physical therapist, to make sure that you are provided with the back treatment specific to your pain. My first tip is to get moving. Exercise is one of the best things that you can do for back pain. It helps to strengthen the muscles that support your spine, and it can help improve your range of motion. My top favorite movements for back pain are pigeon, planks, cat-cow, clamshells, and chest stretching. And if you'd like workouts with exercises and stretches for back pain, I welcome you to work out with me in my back pain relief program, which I will link in the description. My second tip is to try heat therapy. Applying heat to the sore muscles in your back can help to relieve pain and stiffness, and a warm bath, I prefer an Epsom salt bath for 20 minutes, or a heating pad are affordable and accessible at-home remedies. One caveat is that if you've recently experienced an acute back pain event, your doctor may actually prescribe ice instead of heat, which is why involving your medical team is valuable. My third tip is to wear comfortable shoes. I once heard a saying that went something like, invest in products that separate your body from the ground, meaning things like shoes and beds, and I agree. Getting fit for supportive shoes or orthopedic inserts can be life-changing. My fourth tip is to get a massage. Massages are one of the best investments that I've made in my life, and sometimes the only thing that can relax muscles is the power of human touch. However, if this isn't accessible to you, consider making either a one-time investment of a tool like Theragun or a much smaller investment of a foam roller that you use regularly. And my back pain relief program has foam rolling stretches included in it. My fifth tip is physical therapy. If your back pain worsens or is not improving, I highly recommend visiting a physical therapist. PT isn't just for the elderly or those recovering from surgery, and it can help. I still do my back pain physical therapy exercises every week, and I've noticed that 15 minutes improves my pain for the entire week. I also have two bonus tips, which are using a TENS unit and using CBD. TENS units have these little electrode-like gel pads that when attached in your tight muscles, they can deliver a series of heat and electricity pulses, and they alleviate pain. And I use mine every day at bedtime. I also live in a state where cannabis is legal, and I've discovered that a small daily dose of CBD, which is the part of the marijuana plant that does not get you high, completely eliminates my remaining back pain. So if you're 21 years or older and you live in the Bay Area, you can also use my favorite cannabis delivery system, which is called Sava, and I'm gonna link that information and my discount code in the description below. I personally prefer to use a high ratio of CBD to a low ratio of THC, but everyone's different. If this video was helpful to you, please like it and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And if you're experiencing back pain, I welcome you to leave questions and comments below. I'm Natalie Carey. Thanks for being excellent to yourself today.